got this big lumber pile behind me, and the kids and I are going to clean it up. We'll chop it up. It's leftover lumber from the house. It's been about 2 or 3 years old now, and we'll get it into our burn pile. The first things first, we're going to go get the chainsaw, and we're going to get a wheelbarrow. Okay, so we don't need to bring the chainsaw all this over there. I think all we're going to need is the saw. So bring that over. And we're going to need oil and gas, 2-stroke oil, and chain oil. I think the chain oil is in the root cellar. There you go, we got it. And we need a tightener.
You might need to bring some gas too.
Yeah, I got that over on the other side of the house. Okay.
Now we'll have you use this anyways.
Yeah, in half. Put in there. Well, anything that's small like this, that will fit in the fireplace already. So we can just put these right in the wheelbarrow. Off to the woodshed. Ta-da! Okay, that's good. Whoa, you ready? Dad will get you one. Put it on the ground. Okay, here's another one. Here's another big one. Whoa! Out you go, Hattie.
There you go. We are safe now, right, Bear?
Not one these.
And Bear can have these ones.
Where Daddy does.
Daddy's got those ones, Bear's got these ones.
Oh,
Ready?
okay.
Perfect!
Odds, can you help me get some more of this lumber over?
Yeah.
Let's put on our safety gear this time.
This is actually grown a lot.
Yeah, it's trying. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put earplugs on you, okay? Come over here.
Can't you use these?
Not with a helmet on. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, you're gonna stand over here, okay?
Okay.
Over there, on this one right here.
Okay.
Put your helmet on, okay? Rosie, can you pull this one over to that fire pit over there? Over there, that big gray thing on the ground, that big metal where we burn stuff.
What are we doing?
Fill up the wheelbarrow. See that road.
That's what I did.
Oh, Mickey Blue.
That's pretty sketchy.
Thanks, Gil. You're doing a good job.
Way that way.
1, 2, 3.
Good counting. 1, 2, 3, right? Yeah, all of them have to go in. It doesn't matter which one you pick. Okay, we'll get it done without you. All right, the wood's in. Now it's just a matter of cleaning up, blowing out the garage. Well, we've lost all the helpers, but the area is looking a lot cleaner now. And we've got a full load of firewood on the inside here. So we've got the tools to put away, and the wood pile there is looking a lot better. Okay, so is that all the lumber we got today there, girls? It's sure nicely neat and stacked. Thank you. Oh, you did, hey?
And Daddy and there.
That's right, yeah. And
Let us in a minute.
yeah, thank you.